my channel. So today we are solving the problem number 9. Problem is palindrome number. So first we will understand the problem. There is a given an integer x. So determine if the read the same forward and backward. Means it is palindrome or not. So here is the example 1. What this example says is x is equal to 1 to 1. If we read it from backward, so it will be also 1 to 1. So this is palindrome. If we read this minus 1 to 1 from backward, then 1 to 1 minus. So this is not palindrome, and this is example 3. What this is saying that x is equal to 10. So 10 will be 0, 1. So this is not also a palindrome number. So hope you understand the problem. So now let's move to the approach. So what will be our approach? So first of all, I am saying that what will be our approach. So we will use here half reverse step. So what is this half reverse? So if I write here half reverse step. What is this half reverse step? So let's talk about this half reverse step. So first of all, we will take example x. So first, let us say x is equal to 1001, and next x is equal to 12321. So let us take these two numbers. So this is even and this is odd. So we will talk for this and this also. So first of all, for this, we will divide this part into two. First of all, we will take the number from the backward. So we will take the number from backward to reverse. So reverse will be 1. First we will store the 1 from the backward of x. So now x will be 100. For now, for second, the reverse will be 10. So the x will be 10. So here we can see we can see here the both are the same. So now we can say this is palindrome. So this number is palindrome. So now let's talk for this. So what we will do is first of all we will take the number from backward. Reverse will be 1 and the x will be 1 2 3 1 2 3 2. So for the next, the reverse will be 1 2, and the x will be 1 2 3. For the next, the reverse will be 1 2 3, and the x will be 1 2. But we will not go to this condition. Why? Because for these we will take one condition that the reverse should be less than x. This will be our condition for both. So for this condition, this is not valid. So we will take here, but in this odd number, we will take another condition that we will compare the reverse with the x divided by 10. Why we will take the x divided by 10? So the middle number of this x, what is the middle number of x? The middle number is 3. So 3 will be removed from this. So now the x will become 12. So now we can compare this x with this reverse. So here this both are same. So we can say that this is also palindrome number. So hope you understand the problem. Now let us talk about what will be our code. So now let's move to the code. In the code, the first of all we will take the base condition for the palindrome number. What will be the base condition? So x should be the greater than 0 and x should not be equal to 0 and x does not equal to the x divided by 10 equal to 0. So first of all write this condition: if x is greater than 0, less than 0, or we will take here or condition, or x does not equal to 0 and then x divided by 10 equals to 0. What I mean to say here is, if x is less than 0, or the second end condition is what? The, if x is does not equal to 0 and also the x divided by 10 is equal to 0, then we will return it false. Because we want to return here the false, because this will be not count in palindrome number. So we are writing this base condition first here. So after this condition, we will initialize an integer reverse. Reverse. First of all, initializing initial value will be 0. Now we will run while loop while the x should be greater than 0. I will tell you the condition. The x should be the greater than reverse. So now we will store the value from the backward of x, the last value of x to the reverse. So what we will write? Reverse equals to reverse into 10 plus x divided by 10. So what this condition will say, now let's talk about this. For this, we can say here the first of all we can write here the number x should be x is equal to 10, 0, 1, 1, 2, 3, 2, 1. Let us assume this is x. Now what will be the reverse first? Reverse will be the 0 now. For this reverse, now this condition, what is condition here? The reverse is equal to reverse into 10 plus x divided by 10. So basically this is the condition for this. So what will be here? So first reverse into 10. What will be the reverse into 10? So we write here reverse into 10 is equal to 0. Why? Because the initial value is 0. So the reverse will be 0. Plus what we want to add is x remainder 10. What will be the remainder x remainder 10? The remainder will be, here we can say the remainder will be 1. Why? Because if we divide 1, 2, 3, 2, 1 by 10, the remainder will be 1. So we will add these to 1. So the now reverse will be 1. So for this, the reverse will be 1. So we have taken this condition here. Now move forward. And now we will divide. So here we will write the condition x divide is equal to 10. What this condition is telling is telling that we want to add x should be equal to x divided by 10. So this will be the after condition of this. Now we move to the next. So now we will return x equal to reverse or condition, what will be for this is condition for or even number, and now the condition for odd number is reverse divided by 10. So now let's run this and test if it is working or not. So this is working. So thank you guys watching for the video. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe and follow for next.